Esikhuluma isingisi yena yazi. Esikhuluma isingisi yena. Besikhuluma ukuthi kwaNongoma ufuna becela ipolitiki. Ufuna ukuzoba umeya kwaNongoma. Kodwa beyond politics. So kuthiwa ke hayi kodwa yena sikhuluma lapha ufika ufuna ukuphikana. Kodwa ke engikholwa ukuthi indoda lena esikwazile ukuveza igalo layo nobuholi enabo emphakathini. Engikholwa ukuthi ezokwaNongoma wa proud to have umuntu onjengawe phakela umthakathi indabandaba. Namhlanje ke sizowukomelisa nge-Best Practical Rural Agricultural Program Award.
Besilo nabonga ngey'taba zakhe nabonga ukuthula kolwandle abantwana basezinkulu amakhosi akhona la icuthwane ikhona mina ngiyisoshayo nkosi angikwazi ukukhuluma ukwazi ukulwa nje isosha kufanele sazana ukuthi omunye muhle kuphi omunye muhle kuphi mina ngimuhle lapho ukuboneni khona into engenzeki kahle bese ngiba nesizungu uNkulunkulu ngiyambonga ngokuhlangana nensizwa yakithi le uNkosi is my mentor and I've been saying it for the longest time. uNkosi is a rare breed. uNkosi is a very rich man and is also very educated. Kodwa uNkosi uyakwazi ukulingana nomuntu ufana nami belusele inkomo. So ke uNkosi ngiyabonga ukuthi wami uNkulunkulu uzokubeka. Uzokubeka uNkulunkulu uzoze izingane zethu zoze zenze lento ofuna ukuthi siyenze. Ngoba abanye bethu siyeza kulama conferences sizoba khona nje. Abanye bethu siyazama ke abanye bayazama ngiyabona ke namhlanje nabazamayo kodwa abaningi abanye bathanda kabi ama conference noma kune conference afuza khona akeziveza ukuthi thina sathi ngo-2017 uNkosi ethi kuhleki imali bala o-35 million u-25 million bokuqala imithi leyenzalo license yakho sahlangana thina sabazenzizo sabo 80 sahlanganisa o-500 rand sahlanganisa o-500 rand sakuthi kuyenzeka sahlanganisa o-5,000 namhlanje akekho phakathi kwethu oneyinkomo engaphansi ka-400 akekho oneyimbuzi masibali imbuzi asibali noNkosi imbuzi amasinyama sibali imbuzi eyindala akekho neyimbuzi engaphansi ka-500 and siyadanisa. So ke abaningi bathi uphakile umthathu njengoba engizalela ezweni ufandwe abantu bakwa-Israel I'm self-funded ngidayisa imbuzi zakithi nginikela uNkulunkulu ngiyanikela uNkulunkulu ngidayisa imbuzi zakithi mina 6 months abafazi bakithi ngababona kade ngikhuluma naye masibuye ethetha lezi nsizwa besemotweni ethi hayi yimi uthandeka kwasibika yenza ngathi ukhuluma nomuntu engingamazi engikhumbuza ukuthi usewumfazi ngiyamtshela ngidala umuntu noma ngathiwa-ke ngikuthanda kangakanani kodwa izwe imali nje kusho ukuthi iy'ngane zakho azizokhululeka wena ngafanele akulungiswe kuqala. So ngale ndondo uNkosi ngithi okokuqala ucela uyibambisa wena njengendoda uba thina singamadoda bese ngithi uyibambe ngesandla phansi phezulu ibe ngey'nsizwa zonke lezi ey'sukumile kusukela ngo-2012 kuze kube manje, ngoba abantu abaningi baze manje kunensizwa nokunsizwa i-Development Foundation eqalile ngo-2012 eyenza kwabalula ukuthi ngize kuwe zothi lento eyenzayo ngiyibona ngizoba ingxenye yayo. Abantu basemakhaya bakwazi ukuyiphilisa, asidingi abelungu, sidinga ukuhlangana kanje singabantu abemfundo. Uma ekhona umuntu uzwelana nabantu abamnyama ngeqiniso njengale ndoda simemukele, kodwa abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukuhlangana belungisizwe, abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukuba uhulumeni onendaba nezwe enze kangcono kunezinto ezenziwa ngabelungu ngesikhathi sobandlululo. uNkulunkulu uyalithanda lelizwe, uNkulunkulu weseke kuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Habe webafowethu, niyakhumbula yini le ndoda ithi South Africa yizwe elinemali, yizwe nje elinemali kakhulu elingakwazi, since abantu base-South Africa be-close to 70 million, lingakwazi lelizwe ukunikeza umuntu ngamunye wa-South Africa imali engangemiliyoni ngonyaka akwazi ukuphila. Samhleka, namhleka ngoba namhleka nathi senifuna ukuphiwa imali, anisafuni manje ukusebenza. Abantu benga-understand ukuthi wenzani uPhakela Umthakathi, ngoba wayenza umzekelo. Alikho nelilodwa izwe elikwazi elivele linikeza abantu nje imali. Kufanele isetshenzwe imali ukuze kukhandeke umnotho, ukuze imali ibe khona kuyasetshenzwa ukuze kwakheke lowo mnotho loyo ngaleyo ndlela. Kodwa leya nto yayisho something ngalento ayeyikhuluma ukuthi izwe lethu lingakwazi ukunikeza umuntu ngamunye u1 million ngonyaka bese yakwazi ukuphila. Saliba lokuhleka ngoba umthetho wethu nathi ingqondo sesiyicindezelekile. Sesazi ukuthi impilo yethu kufanele sisebenze ezitolo zamaPakistan, ezitolo zamashangane, ezitolo sefanele sisebenze ngama-drugs, nathi sidayisele ama-drugs, sidayisele umphakathi wakithi ama-drugs ngoba sesibona ngathi impilo iphelile. Sesivele sihleke noma yini eserious. Buka ke njengamanje ukuthi kwenzakalani. Umhlaka-30 uphumile ususemome futhi ukuthi njengamanje ngesonto nje lizayo umhlaka-30 ngolesithathu mangaphosisi ngosuku nje olulodwa ugovernment usekwaze ukukhipha u600 million azowukhipha nje ukuthi akhipha amaphoyisa ukuthi abheke imikhankaso namamasha azobe khona ngaleyo ndlela. Okuwukuthi lelizwe imali linayo, sihlushekiswa ngamabomu. Namhlanje South Africa sinabantu abama-graduates, sikhala imihla namalanga kwi-social media ukuthi siney'ngane ekuhlushekwayo emakubo, ekungathathwa ntweni, kuphilwa ngemali yogogo nomkhulu. Kodwa iy'ngane zigraduate-ile. Sibari, awuthi ngiqede Sibari. Zigraduate-ile iy'ngane kufanele ngabe ziyakwazi ukuthi yisebenze, ugovernment ayiholele kudliwe imali. Namhlanje ugovernment wethu ukwazi ukuthi aqasha abantu ngo-3,000 ey'koleni, kunothisha abaqualified kufanele ngabe bayaqashwa ey'koleni, athi usave imali ngaleyo ndlela enza ngayo. Kodwa le nkulumo eyakhulunywa yilo mbhemu sayihleka ngoba iy'ngqondo zethu seyiphambene, nathi sesilahla ithemba, sesiyabantu esibona sengathi hayi kulungile kunje. Ngeke kuze kulunge kunje. Sisenezwe elizothi eminyakeni ewu-10 ewu-5 ezayo selibuswa ama-foreigners bafowethu. Asivukeni South Africa. Habi.
First of all, congratulations to Phakela Umthakathi for winning this award. I truly believe that he deserves it. And in fact, he deserves even more recognition for the work he has done. So whether people agree with him or not, one thing is clear. He has opened the eyes of South Africans. Because of his message, a lot of people have started believing that they do not have to depend on foreigners to be their own bosses. Instead, they can work hard, start businesses, create opportunities, and become bosses in their own countries. Congratulations once again to Phakela Umthakathi. May this award be just the beginning of many more achievements to come. Honestly speaking, this man has opened many South Africans' eyes, because a lot of people think that they need to be hired by someone. They need to be hired by someone in order to actually put food on the table. But there are many ways to earn money. There are many ways. I'm not talking about goods. I'm switching topics, but this is part of like me also enlightening you as South Africans. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Open a YouTube channel also if you see you need to create something about. There's a lot of things that are happening. Open a YouTube channel. I have 2 of them. Many people recognize my voice. I have 2 YouTube channels. I don't work, and now you can also do it. Download CapCut and start editing these videos. Let's just not be boxed in as South Africans or as a people as a whole. So our eyes need to be open, because you do not need to depend on someone. There are a lot of things that you can actually do. There's foreign exchange, you can do drop shipping, e-commerce, and there's a lot that you can do with just your phone. Take your phone and start recording. It's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. You can work like 2 hours in a day, and I don't want to talk about how much you can make, because those who know, they know. But let's just, as South Africans, have an open mind. Especially, let's not be boxed in. Let's have an open mind. This is our country. We do not need to be tamed like wild horses, hiding, because you don't know, the horse itself doesn't know how much power it has, because it's been tamed and rode by people, ridden by people. That's how we are. We have the power, but they suppressed it in the sense that you do not see how much power you have. There's a lot of minerals in South Africa. South Africa is a rich economy. In the whole of Africa, I think it's number 1 with minerals. That is why this economy is booming the way it's booming, because the white people know, and most people know, this country is very, very wealthy. It's very, very wealthy. That is why the economy, it's the number 1 in Africa in terms of like umnotho. It's number 1 in Africa. That's why a lot of people are coming to this country. So South Africa is a blessed country, blessed by God. Let us fight for this country.